This garden salad pairs perfectly with your favorite Italian dish. In a glass jar, combine olive oil, mayonnaise, vinegar, lemon juice, Italian seasoning, pepper, kosher salt, sugar, Parmesan cheese, and minced garlic. Place lid on the jar and shake until the dressing is mixed well. Arrange your salad mix, veggies, and croutons on a platter or bowl, and gently toss ingredients together. Portion the salad into individual servings, drizzle with dressing, and serve.